Sa book na to, basic na lesson planning, hookbook, lookbook, at saka yung basic needs of the learner's heart, head, hand, and habit. So as a result of the heart's need, encourager ka. Sa head, educator ka. Sa hand, equiper ka. Sa habit, enabler. But the overall talaga, Mellow, is that the desire for transformational learning and teaching through the power of the Holy Spirit sa loob ng classroom.
And Dr. Knight, marami na kayong nagawang book. Ayan. So meron tayong Teacher Care at A to Z Creative Teaching Method. So ano naman pong masasabi nyo saan? Isa sa mga best-selling natin yan dito sa CS.
Oo nga po. Very humbling naman. Ang A to Z, from acronym to zealous endings, papakita ko pa rin dito kung paano ang different methodology na bagay sa isang estudyante.
For students naman ito.
Oo, for students naman ito. Pero kasi ngayon, we are on the learner-centered na lesson planning. So dapat, what will the learner do? So ang mga learning activities, dapat learner-centered. Ang outline po nito ay holistic wellness ng mental, emotional, physical, spiritual, and social, the all aspect of ano. Tapos in-outline ko siya ng A to Z din. Tiga-apat na chapter. Mayroon tayo ditong stress management, money management, time management, and then how to know your learners, how to love them, how to integrate humor inside the classroom. Tapos different ways to say, oh, maganda. Very good. Mga 158 ways to encourage your learners. I'm calling all the teachers and parents, if you want to maximize the learning capacity ng inyong mga anak, buy this one. And if you want to give gift because you care for your teacher or the teachers of your apo, anak, take this one and then give this to your teacher. Encourage na maging creative ang teacher na to. Okay.